Okay, aloha everybody, aloha. So today what we're gonna make is Nabemono Jus. Well, we call them Nabemono Jus, but it's the dipping sauce if you're gonna eat soba noodles, or you can adjust it to make it for tempura. Whichever way, it's a simple sauce you guys will enjoy. We have trouble keeping people from drinking the sauce, so there we go. Let's start. So what we do is we'll start with equal parts of everything. Sugar, aji mirin, you guys know mirin, sake, and soy sauce. Okay, use a food flavored soy sauce for this. Don't use low salt or anything like that. Food flavored kikkoman, yamasa, whatever it may be, but the food flavored soy sauce. Okay, and then we're going to end with 3 parts of water. So whatever you use, it doesn't matter using a cup, using a gallon, whatever. It's equal parts of everything and 3 parts of water. Okay. So what we'll do is we get the sugar in the pan, and let's get the mirin in there. Okay. Then we got the sake. We usually show chikobai right now. You guys can get that sake at almost anywhere. And we're using soy sauce, yeah? Okay. Now what I'm gonna do right now, let me walk over to the sink right here, is we're just gonna put 3 equal parts water. So fill this up 3 times and get it in a pot, and I'll get right back to you. Okay guys, so we got everything in the pot now. We're doing equal parts of everything. Again, sugar, aji mirin, sake, and soy sauce, and 3 parts water. Okay, so let me walk this over to the stove. So what you want to do right now is we're gonna just get it up to a boil. That's pretty much it. So let's say we're gonna use it for tempura. We're gonna shred some or grate some daikon inside there, or we're using it as a dip. You can cut an orange and just throw the whole thing in while it's boiling. There's many different ways to adjust this sauce, but this is your basic base, and give it a shot. I'm sure you folks will like it. Let me get right back to you after the thing comes up to a boil and show you what we add for this one. Okay guys, so right now we're bringing it up to the boil. What it is actually bringing it up to boil so you can kind of cook off the alcohol off the sake. Depending on what sake you use, if you're using shochikubai, it's pretty buttery already, so you don't have to cook it that long. But if you're using any other sake, you gotta really want to boil up the alcohol. So just bring it up to a boil, and that'll be it. That's enough time to burn off the alcohol. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay guys, so we ran up to a boil now. So I just give it a minute. You can give it a minute, get the sake taste burned out. And what we're gonna do is that amount. And since we intend to use this for fish, what I'm doing is I'm squeezing a half a lemon in there, and the more, of course, the more you just and I'm just throwing the whole thing in there, and a half a lime, and I'm just throwing the whole thing in there, and then so we're boiling that off for a little bit, and then what you can do now, just let this steep, like tea, let it steep, and it'll be ready to. So what we're using this for is actually we're making a salmon float where we're searing up the salmon, serving it in a bowl, and we're actually floating the salmon in the sauce. So we'll pour this with a little teapot for the guests, and we'll pour it in there, and we serve them with a side of buckwheat noodles, and they can use that to dip into the sauce while they're eating. That salmon's already in the sauce, and let me give you guys the example. Give me a sec. Okay guys, so this Chef Arnoop already cooking up our salmon. Of course we got it in a flat top. You guys can just cook it off in your pan. Let's see if you just get a nice browning on it. There you go, you see that crust right there? Beautiful. Okay, so let's cook that off a little bit, and we'll show you guys how to work that with the Nabemono Jus. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so what we do is we got the salmon there now. Oh, bowl's behind you. Okay, and we're just laying the salmon in the middle of the middle bowl. Basically, that's it. So what we actually do, this is not, how we presentate this is we'll get the Nabemono Jus, we pour it over the salmon. So we'll garnish this with micro wasabi on the top and everything. I'm not going to do that for you right now, but you guys get the general idea. And at the table side, what we do is we have the server go out, and she takes a little porcelain teapot, and what they do is they kind of pour the Nabemono Jus over the salmon, right? So what we call this right now is a salmon float. That's what we call it here. And one more. So just picture this dressed up with everything, and then what it is we serve it with a side of buckwheat noodles and some namasu, some pickled vegetables, and that's pretty much the dish. And you can dip your soba noodles into that. But give this a try, guys, especially Valentine's coming up soon. Something simple, easy to do. Salmon is readily available year round. And the Nabemono Jus, you guys just got it right now. This is not traditional Nabemono Jus. This is our version of it, but it's really delicious. I think Chef Marcella Duarte, I gave her the recipe. She actually made something really pretty out of it too. So give this one a try, guys. Sorry, so far in between videos, but we've been really busy. So yeah, I hope you guys had a very happy New Year. Wish you guys a happy New Year. And we'll have more videos coming up soon. So again, like I said, take care. Stay safe out there. You folks have a blessed New Year, and we shall see you soon. Aloha.